friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Lakshmi Amma's Kitchen. My today's recipe is a refreshing pomegranate juice. So welcome to my kitchen. Let's start cooking. I have taken two medium-sized pomegranates, removed the seeds, and I have got almost 1 cup of pomegranate seeds. Next, take a mixer grinder, add the pomegranate seeds. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of honey, half glass of water and grind to a smooth paste. Transfer the juice to a strainer. Squeeze the pomegranate pulp. I have squeezed out all the liquid content from the pulp and our juice is also ready. Now let us transfer it to a glass and serve it. Adding 2-3 pomegranate seeds. If you like the flavor of mint leaves, you can add it at this stage. Our pomegranate juice is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and send me your feedback. Thank you for watching my channel, Lakshmi Amma's Kitchen. Take care.